Today, we will continue our Microsoft Excel training. We will learn how to insert a map for data visualization. We have a table to display sales data in some Arab countries. We shade the table data like this. Then, click on Insert, and then Maps. Next, click on Filled Map. A map will be inserted, and data will be displayed for each country. Click on the map and choose the desired style. You can choose from the available styles by clicking on Quick Layout. Select one of the desired layouts for the map data. Click on Add Chart Element. For example, click here for Chart Title options, and here for Data Labels options. Click here for Legend options. Notice how the colors gradually change based on the data. You can show or hide map elements by clicking here. Click here and then choose Format Selection. Click on Map Projection to select the map display method. For example, select each method and observe its effect on map display. Click here on Map Area. Then, choose to display only regions with data. This will display only countries with data, not all countries in the world. Click here on Series Color. The default choice is a gradient of 2 shades of blue. You can change the color of the lowest data value from here. And from here, you can change the color of the highest data value. You can change the gradient from 2 to 3 colors. Click on Series Color and then select Diverging, 3 color. By clicking here, you can change the color for the lowest value, which can be from the same color gradient or a different color. From here, you can change the color for the middle value. And from here, to change the color for the highest data value. Gradual colors for the data will be displayed on the map based on your selection. Click on the map to see formatting options. For example, click here to change the color, and here to adjust transparency. For instance, click here to add a shadow. By clicking on Text options. And, for example, click here to change text color. Clicking on any country will display its specific data. By clicking on Data Labels, the data for each country will be displayed on the map. Click on Data Labels, then More Data Label options. Click here to show series names on the map. And click here to show category names. Click here to remove or add values. For example, Here to deselect series and categories names. Click here for separator options. For instance, choose a new line as a separator between series and values, to display them in separate rows. And here to change number formatting. We will continue in subsequent videos. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe to get the new videos. And visit us at FAIRS Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.